Welcome to Prestige Electronics Canberra's second video in our series that helps you solve user-created technical issues or prevent them from even happening in the first place. In this video, we'll teach you about the inputs in your TV, how to connect them properly, and give some helpful tips about what input is what and connecting the inputs in general. The first cable is quite basic for most TV and DVD players. The AV, or audio-visual cable. The AV cable is made up of three different colours: yellow, red and white. The yellow cable, also known as the composite video cable, incorporates the colour and saturation. The red and white cables are used for the left and right audio. You might notice that there's more than one red input on your TV. This other red input is for the component cable. If you plug your AV input into there, you might hear a slight buzzing sound. This means you've plugged the cable into the wrong red input. Just unplug the cable and plug it into the input named audio. The AV cable is one of the most common cables you'll find today. The next cable you'll find in almost all TVs is the component cable. The component cable is also made up of three colours: red, green and blue. This is only the visual component of the setup. You will still need the red and white AV cables for the audio component. The component replaces the need for the yellow AV cable. The next cable is the HDMI cable. HDMI stands for High Definition Media Input. HDMI cables are often available in most newer TVs and DVD players, and are also used for most gaming consoles. This means that it doesn't go from digital to analog and then back to digital when it gets to your TV. Generally, HDMI is the best quality. HDMI also replaces the component and AV cables. It incorporates both audio and visual in one cable, and is becoming more and more common with every new TV, DVD player and Blu-ray player. The next cable you'll find is a LAN cable. This cable is generally completely optional and is normally a feature in most newer TVs and DVD players. The LAN cable allows for internet connection on your devices. LAN cable stands for Local Area Network Cable. TVs with this function can usually offer software updates in your own home and allow connection to various other internet services, for example YouTube. The last cable you'll need for your TV is the aerial cable. As we said in our last video, the aerial cable and its proper connection ensures the strength of your signal and simply lets you watch TV. If you still find this confusing, try labeling them yourself. For example, using the AV cables labeled DVD and plug those into your DVD player. If you have further problems, just come to us at Unit 2 of 102 Gladstone Street, Fyshwick, and Prestige Electronics Canberra will repair it. In the meantime, why don't you share this video with someone that you might need help with their tech? Or you could click the like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.